getting to know you, your meaning of wanting to do this though, really it touched home to me as well. Okay, and
we would like to present you with your brand new Drifter camper van.
Oh my goodness. It is so adorable. Kim, come and look.
I didn't want to be.
no.
No, come and look. Oh my god. Oh. I am totally speechless. It is way more than I ever imagined. I just want to say that.
Thank you.
I don't know what I was expecting. Whatever it was, this is better. So I lost my husband 5 years ago. And I've been trying to figure out my life ever since. And when I got the idea for this van, I just got really inspired by the possibilities of what my life could be. And it's helping me launch myself forward. I've just retired, and I'm ready to start taking on the world again.
It has been such an honor for me and the team to be able to help Susan find her path again. After suffering such a huge loss, her courage and her story truly inspires all of us.
So the fridge is a really good sized fridge. Then on the top there, that was your extra counter space that you were looking for.
I really like the size. It is small, feels very compact, but it's exactly what I wanted.
Right.
Look at this, these little spaces. It is so cool. I'm loving it. And these were gonna come down, screens on the windows. And I wanted all the windows, and I love the idea of having all these windows. My seat turns around, right?
Yep. Yep. You have a swivel chair.
Primary carpenter, finished carpenter on this one. It turned out really well. I'm really pleased with the results. In general, it just turned out really well.
Tenali.
Denali.
And adventures to come.
I have this pith helmet that I'll be carrying with me, and why their pith helmet is on the back of my van, and so he'll always be with me in my heart wherever I go, and I'm super excited. And thank you to Paul and the rest of the team for giving me this beautiful van, because it's just way more than I ever could have imagined.
It's really special being a part of Susan's story. She lost somebody, and looking for yourself. And I really do believe travel, adventuring, it gives people so much peace. And I'm really looking forward to her journey. And when she comes back to the Drifter and tells us these stories, it means a lot to me. So welcome to the Drifter family, Susan.